What is going on, lads? It's another video, and yes, we are in the shop today and we will be working on the Celica. Let's first of all get some lights on, and we will be joined very shortly by someone else, special guest for the video. I put a black wing and winglets on it the other day. Have a look at this. It actually looks really nice unless you look close. There's a couple of wrinkles in that. It looks like an old granny.
Where's your clear coat, bro? Where's your clear?
It's the front and then on the fender.
Is that it, right?
And look at what happened to the wing. What's happened to the wing?
What the fuck happened?
Do you not see any difference with the wing?
What was it before? Was it not black?
That's pretty good, huh?
You should have just got the whole wing. Mateo did it?
No, I did the wing. Mateo trimmed the winglets. I actually did the whole PPF from the wing. Okay, lads,
Just feel it.
we are taking all the insides of the car out and giving it a decent wash. So we've disconnected the battery so nothing goes boom and no fuses blow.
You could have to take the seat out.
Oh, actually, maybe. Yeah, we could take the seats out.
But nah, it's not even work.
Okay, I'm currently getting all the metal parts of the seat, everything that's not like felt. Look at that. That's yucky. Obviously, it's very damaged, but it looks a lot better. Oh, that's good. I'm with my boy Andy. He's cleaning the floor, and I'm cleaning the all this stuff here. I don't know what this does, but we're using an applicator and we're just kind of putting it on everything, you know. I've done a bit of the roof. See, clean, dirty. So, you know, we're working one by one. The seats are drying outside. Look at how nice and red that is there. So yeah, we're working on the interior and then we're gonna go and do the exterior in a minute. Whoa. I want to go up in here. Subscribe if you haven't already, lads. We are trying to hit 1,000 by the end of the year, so hit that button, lads. Look at this car, babe. Look how beautiful it is. You know I'm cleaning my car, but no, we've got the food. Supreme Leader Korean crispy chicken. Is that the place?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, let's have a look. Let's have a look. So this is $74 of food. I know, yeah, $5.48.
Fried chicken, bro. Open it all up first.
Oh, yeah, we gotta have a look.
Yeah, it's chips.
A salad.
Fuck. Oh, damn.
Wait, let's have a taste. Let's have a taste test. It's fucking good, bro. That's very good. Bro, look at how horrid these fucking chips are, bro. They're not awful, but oh yeah, they are pretty fucking awful. Look at this sad piece of shit, bro. Look at this. What is this? Taste test, yeah. That's fucking good. I'm fucking full as though. But anyways, we're gonna get back to washing the Celica. Cars, look at how clean she is now. Look at that, cars. And we're gonna leave this side for tomorrow, and then we're gonna compound the car It's nearly 7. And we haven't even fucking started on the compound, which is the only point of today, was compounding and polishing the car. Anyways, lads, I'm gonna have to charge my phone now. It's really low, so I'll see ya. Cause look at this. Look at this. Wow, look at that. This man here. We're getting the glass coated at the minute. I'm waiting. So I'm gonna grab a polisher of my own. Yeah, we got it then tomorrow, bro. It's fucking, look at the time, bro. It's fucking 7:14. Anyways, I'm gonna grab my own polisher and do it up. Look at this, lads. It's dark. Lads, I did that all by myself with no help. Look at how crisp. I did a bit of the front bumper, not all of it, just a little bit of the front bumper. Andy's done the bonnet, the fenders. We're taking the sticky tape off. I've got to put my number plates back on because I do have to drive home today. We've got to just pack up this mess of cables, and we will be back tomorrow. I also sanded these down and gave them a polish. They don't look very good. And also I did the indicators on the side. They look a lot better. I kind of wanted to go with what he's got on the M3 here. How that looks fucking white as. Mine, a little bit yellow, not perfect. But yeah, anyways, lads, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's go. It's actual midnight out here, babe. And it is day 2, ladies and gentlemen. Look at these cars here. We're gonna get back to work on the Celica. And the interior is done, look at this. Woo! Clean, 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 clean.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Look at this. 1.5 hours late. Okay, lads, now this bit here is the worst. Look at that. Look at how cooked that paint is. Water spots. Yikes. We're gonna fix that. Let's have a look. Wow, that's a lot better. Still a bit scratched up. There's like big scratches. For instance, like that one there. That's a fat fucking scratch. But I've got all of them gone. Apart from the big scratches. Colours at the minute, we are breezing through this. Look, done. All that down there's done. Mirror, bonnet, fender, front bumper, fender, apart from the sun damaged bit. Both of these are big A-pillars on either side. Rear bumper. And cause we're breezing through it, we're like, it's 2:06 at the minute. 4 p.m. What do we got left? Let's go. Because it's raining, so I'm gonna have to clean this car tomorrow morning. After it's been polished and all that, I'm gonna have to clean it and scratch it up again. You know the only way to not get swells in your car? You don't clean it. You don't clean it. That's the only way to not get swells in your paint. Or get PPF. So now, lads, we are polishing. Look at this. Andy's already finished the whole bonnet, apart from that mess there. I'm starting on the front bumper. And yeah, so front bumper, everything's been taped up on this side. And it should look pretty mad after we're done. Anyways, let's go. So lads, we're putting on the final touches. We're in a bit of a hurry. So, you know, just doing the glass. We've done all the plastics. As you can see, it's black. Get up close. Wow, look at that. Here as well. mint condition, lads. Let's get in the before and after photos. Oh lads, it's raining. Spent 2 days cleaning it. Off-roading in the Celica bed. Look at that, it's fucking beautiful. The paint is fucking mint, bang. Oh, it's all cooked because of the rain, eh? But it looks so shiny now. Look at that. This is a fucking mint car, cuz 2 days straight of fucking paint correcting this. But look at it, it looks fucking beautiful. Damn, I'm really happy with the outcome. Far out, it looks fucking nice. Look at it. Ooh. The headlights, I need to get new headlights. They're very expensive, but honestly, new headlights, new windshield. The windshield's so cooked. But oh, look at all the plastic. We've restored this thing. We've restored it from looking like a fucking barn find car into this. All the plastic's been restored. The paint, the wing we could not save, so we black PPF'd it. It basically looks like that, the whole wing. So we had to get rid of it. But cuz, look at how beautiful this is. Anyways, lads, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, lads. 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's go.